Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, we are in Omaha, Nebraska at the DIY Detail Studios, as you see behind me. We have Yvan here from DIY Detail, and I wanted to bring him on, wanted to make a video to kind of go over the DIY Detail brand, why they decided they wanted to come out with this brand, what this brand is about. Ivan, appreciate you coming on the channel.
Thank you, sir.
And so explain DIY Detail. How did you guys come up with the DIY Detail name and concept?
So DIY Detail to me was, when I was a kid, a little older than you are, riding my bike down the street, Saturday morning, the dads were out there washing the cars. They were smiling, they were having fun. We don't see that anymore. And to me, DIY Detail represents enjoying detailing, bringing back that joy we have of having a clean car, doing it ourselves, having fun doing it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Detailing over the last 15, 20 years has become this really stressful, you have to overthink things and 18 steps. No, it can be easy, it can be fun. The other part of DIY Detail is my shops. We had 20-some shops in Quebec, and we ran them extremely efficiently with a minimal amount of products. And DIY, all the processes, all the pads, all the way we work is designed around all the systems we built in our shops. Okay. So our franchisees that paid a lot of money to buy a franchise, they may be a little angry at this moment because we're giving it away for free now.
Right. So efficiency is what DIY Detail is more about than tons and tons of products. Yeah. You've got a simple set of products that are going to do everything you need to do on a car.
Exactly.
Okay.
Less is more.
Less is more. Yep. So how did you guys come up with the name DIY Detail, though? Who came up with that name?
Our managing partner came up with that. Okay. That was his brainchild, and looking for names, saw that all the social media, everything was still available for DIY Detail.
Okay.
That's where the name came from. And even professionals. So actually more professionals use it than home hobbyists at the moment. For a professional, most professionals, they are doing it themselves.
Right.
So that's where,
So this isn't aimed at just the average DIYer doing it at home. This is also professional grade products.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Okay. So what would be your star products? Some of your best selling or what you believe is your star product?
So the two on the end there, the Rinseless Wash and the Gold Standard. They are two products that really simplify the art of detailing. The Rinseless Wash can be used for just about anything. If you only have one detailing product, Rinseless Wash is the one you should have. It will clean your interior, your exterior, your wheels, your tires, you name it, it can clean it. And it does so very, very efficiently. The dilution ratio is very simple. It's 256-to-1 for everything. We don't have a 6-to-1 and 8-to-1 and 20-to-1 and 32-to-1. It's 256-to-1 for everything.
No matter what you're cleaning.
Yeah, no matter what you're cleaning. Inside, outside, glass cleaner, you name it, it does it.
So for the people that are used to other companies that have wheel cleaners and bug cleaners all dedicated, you have All Clean.
Right, we have All Clean.
And that's basically all you need.
Right.
To do the majority of the jobs too.
So it is called an all-purpose cleaner. Those purposes are bug remover, they're wheel and tire cleaner, they're engine degreaser, they're really bad interiors. You can do all of that with All Clean. Okay. And it's a safe product. There's a lot of degreasers and there's a lot of APCs on the market that you spray them and you start coughing. They can actually cause damage to surfaces. Ours isn't. We use very high quality surfactants and we use very active surfactants. The pH level, people they overthink things, and the pH level is like, oh, what's the pH level? It's pH at 12, don't worry. But at the same time, they judge things by pH level. I can have something that's extremely acidic, will go the other way, that you drink every day. You drink cherry Pepsi.
Oh yeah, everybody does that.
Right, okay. He drinks cherry Pepsi, has a pH level of 2.5. There are wheel acids that are less acidic.
Oh wow.
Yeah. But yet you drink it every day.
Makes me not want to drink it now.
But the pH level of a chemical really doesn't tell the whole story. And a lot of people are tied into that pH level. That's not telling the whole story.
Okay. So one of my favorite products that I use personally all the time, whether I'm drying a car or I get done cleaning the wheels, Quick Beads. I love Quick Beads. It's one of my most favorite products probably on the market is Quick Beads. Can you explain that to people what Quick Bead does and what makes it so great?
So Quick Beads is a water-activated ceramic. And it's not a long-term ceramic, 3 to 6 months is what we can expect.
Yep.
But it does things that others don't do. And like you said, on wheels, I think it should be standard equipment with a set of wheels because it makes cleaning your wheels so much easier. Now, you have to clean them in the first place, but then instead of getting in there with ceramic coating, let's say you've got a 78 Trans Am with those honeycomb wheels.
Awful wheels.
Yeah. you don't want to be cleaning those, and you don't want to be ceramic coating those. Those are a hassle to get into. Once your wheel is clean, you spray on the quick beads and then hit it with water. It can be a garden hose or pressure washer, doesn't matter. Hit it with water. That spreads out the quick beads and activates it.
Right.
And then from there, you've got long-term protection.
And I learned something here today, just a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
I've been using quick beads wrong this entire time, but still got great results.
Yeah.
But Ivan showed me that you really want to spray up the panel, like turn the garden hose upside down. That was kind of mind-boggling to me when you showed me that I've gone through over a gallon of that stuff and I've been doing it wrong, but I've still got incredible results, even though I was doing the application process wrong.
Right. There's no real wrong way of detailing, and there's no real right way of detailing. There's a lot of really good ways. And the way you were doing it, you may not get as good a performance out of it, but it'll still work. It'll still do the job.
Exactly. Your ceramic line, you have I think it's 3, 5, and 8. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah.
And is that the numbers of the years is that what that is meant by or not?
Yes and no.
Okay.
So they're all, for all intents and purposes, they're all three of them ceramic coatings that will last as long as you want them to last. Okay. Meaning you wash your car, you decontaminate when it's necessary. They're going to last more than the 3, the 5, or the 8 years. We're selling performance and characteristics.
Okay.
So the 3-year contains graphene. And graphene coatings are great for helping prevent water spots. But after about 3 years, that graphene matrix starts breaking down. So you paid for a graphene coating, it's still performing as a coating, and graphene and ceramic coatings are the same thing. They have the same ingredients. Graphene is an addition to a ceramic coating. It is not the coating. But the characteristic you paid for, that graphene water spot resistance, after about 3 years starts to die down.
Okay.
That's why we call it a 3-year.
Okay, I did not know that.
Yeah, our 5-year is for gloss. So you want the glossiest coating we can provide you, that's our 5-year.
Okay.
And after about 5 years, through normal wear and tear, washing, etc.
Is that graphene?
No.
Okay.
The graphene is only in the 3.
Okay.
There's no point in putting graphene in a coating that's going to last, or that is said to last more than 3 years.
Okay.
Because after that, the graphene aspect of it just is gone.
Okay.
So you paid for that characteristic. The 5-year is our glossiest coating. So you paid for that characteristic of gloss over time that's going to wear down. Our 8-year is our most chemically resistant and best self-cleaning coating. So you want a coating that you don't like washing your car too much. You don't like going to the car wash. We don't recommend a car wash.
Yeah.
And you know, you drive in the winter, whatever, and you want it to almost self-clean itself. That's what the 8-year is.
And that's for your everyday car.
It's
cars that sit outside, cars you drive to work every day, cars that get used and abused.
Yeah.
It's going to be your 8-year.
You know, the other way of looking at it, the 3 years for the garage queen, the car that you don't take out too much.
Yeah.
It only goes out on weekends, and if you happen to get rained on, well, it'll be good water spot protection.
Right.
The 8-year, as you said, that's for the daily driver, the car that doesn't get well maintained, doesn't get cared for, sits outside, etc. The 5-year is for, I'm going to a car show. I want the glossiest car there.
Okay. So Ivan, how easy are the coatings to apply for the average DIYer that's looking at the video and saying, I want to try that coating, but I don't know if I want to try it because it might be too hard, or I'm worried about trying it?
Right. A coating, or our coatings, are easier to apply than wax. If you can apply a wax, you can apply our coatings. It's that easy.
And you say it's faster
than
applying a wax.
It's faster and you don't have to worry about getting it on the trim. You want it on the trim. You don't have to worry about wax residue around the emblems. You're going all around the emblems. You just have to watch for high spots, which means you're putting too much product on. The less you apply, the better it is. As long as you see a little snail trail of coating behind your applicator, you're good.
And you always preach less is more. So you first prime the applicator.
Right.
But then after that, you're what, 2 to 3 drops?
At
and
most,
that's it? Because it's already, the applicator's already moist, I guess.
Yeah,
is the best way to say it. So you're just adding a little bit extra to it.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Well, you guys, I want to say thank you to Ivan coming on here, introducing the brand to you guys on YouTube. I really appreciate that, Ivan.
Thank you, sir.
Everything you've taught me this weekend so far has been absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave comments down section. If you use DIY detailing products, let me know in the comment section. Put it down there. What's your favorite DIY detailing product? I appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.